안녕하세요. Welcome back. Friendly Kajima here. So today's menu is 양파청, which is onion syrup. So stay tuned. Super simple ingredients today: onion, brown sugar, ginger, and cinnamon. To make onion syrup is really simple, so just follow step by step. So let's get an onion first. Remove the outer skin, cut on both sides. So it was really spicy while removing the outer skin. So anyways, let's just cut the onions. So just cut in half and slice them. It doesn't need to be very thin or thick. Oh my gosh, we got our onion mountains. After slice the onion, we're gonna cut ginger. So before that, we're gonna remove the skin of the ginger first. So remove the skin. After peeling off the skin and just wash, just rinse it gently. Slice the ginger. Actually, adding ginger and cinnamon is just optional, so if you want to skip it, then you can do that. But still, by adding it, you'll be experiencing the more flavorful taste of onion syrup. Put together with the onions. So there's two ways of making onion syrup. So the first thing is actually, until now, the process is exactly the same. So slice the onion and mix with the sugar. The ratio is like 1:1. So then what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just steam the onion and ginger for a minute because that will shorten the aging period. So when water is boiling, we're just going to put a cutting cloth. Then we'll put the onion and the ginger. We'll steam it for 1 minute. Just spread them just to cool it down. And we need to cool it down until all the heat is gone. By steaming it for a short time, actually it can reduce the spiciness of the onion and also shorten the aging period. So when we just make it without steaming, actually you need to fermentate it, you need to age it for 3 months. But by doing this, then you can just shorten up to 2 weeks only, right? So this is actually the ginger syrup I made. I'm just gonna show it to you. So this is the ginger syrup. Onion syrup and ginger syrup, this is like a home remedy. This is really good for cough, especially the dry cough, right? So you can just make it and you can use it for coughing or even for cooking too. So this is very important. You need to wait until the heat is gone because if the heat remains, then mold can form. So then now we're just gonna mix with the sugar. And mix it. Actually, when making onion syrup, brown sugar is better than the white sugar. If you think that this is too hassle to do it, just mixing it like this way, then you can just put in a container and put it layer by layer. So one layer of onion, sugar, onion, sugar, onion, sugar to the top. Make sure you clean the container properly because if there's any bacteria inside, then it can create a mold. So let's just put it in. Here on top, you can just cover with the sugar. And lastly, put the cinnamon on top. We are done making 2 bottles of onion syrup with the 3 kgs of onions. So then you can just store it in the refrigerator for 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, mature onions deteriorate over time, so separate onion and onion syrup by sieving. Then you can boil it for 30 to 40 seconds. The water on the onions will be drained during the boil. That will allow longer storage. So then, when do you eat this? Where do you use this for? Actually, when you fight the cold. So if you have a cough, then you can just make a tea and then drink this. It will be so helpful, like a home remedy. Or when you try to remove any meat smell or the fish smell for cooking, then you can add this. So just basically, you can just imagine any dish with the onion, actually this syrup can be added. So you don't need to put a lot, just put a spoon or even less or just a little more than that. So just to try it and then you can add a little bit more. So let's say for Korean dish, you can use this for like making kimchi jjigae, kimchi stew, or 제육볶음 spicy stir-fried pork, or even bulgogi, the marinated beef. Actually, this one can be widely used, right? So after 2 weeks, I'm just gonna update you what's going on with this onion syrup. So please just check on my community section. So I hope that you enjoyed my cooking video today and hope to see you on my next video. So thank you and 또 만나요.